So, Sumit, the right note to start this podcast will be to help us understand what makes mutual funds such a smart choice, especially as compared to the other investment options which are available.
What I believe is that mutual fund is the most effective way to take exposure towards various asset classes like equity, debt, and gold to help create, grow, and preserve wealth. It's tax efficient because, unlike many of the debt products, which are taxed as per the slab rate, there is a lower taxation because of long-term capital gain advantage in mutual funds. Then it's professionally managed. There is a fund manager with years of experience, skills, and understanding about capital market who is managing the portfolio on a full-time basis with a strong research team, and they are able to spot the opportunities and navigate the portfolio according to the investment objective of the particular fund at a small fees at what they charge. Third, it's liquid. You can encash your investments from mutual funds within 2 to 3 days. Unlike many other products where there is a lock-in and you're stuck for maybe 7 years, 8 years. Another advantage of mutual fund is the investments are completely transparent. You can look into the portfolio at any point in time. You can see what are the stocks being held in a particular portfolio and what sectors exposure is there, what is the expense ratio, what are the returns on a regular basis. So that gives a lot of transparency to understand how your portfolio is doing. Next, the most important aspect of mutual fund is the cost efficiency. Unlike many products like some of the investments which are linked with insurance, mutual funds have a very low cost structure. We did a study sometimes back evaluating the cost structure of insurance linked investments and mutual funds. We were astonished by the amount of expense ratio being charged on an insurance product, which came out to be roughly 12 to 15% every year for the 3 years period. That's a significant cost that one is paying, which is compared to a mutual fund. In mutual funds, you're paying only 2 to 2.5% expense ratio in a regular plan. In direct plan, which are zero commission investment option, you end up paying 1 to 1.25% annually. So one thing that is very important for anyone who is looking to invest in the capital market is to understand whenever you invest, the money will either go to equity market or debt market or to commodity market, right? Now, through which funnel these investments are being channeled, the cost of that funnel is very important to consider.
Because that will determine your net returns.
Certainly. So, if the cost of the funnel is very high, your net returns would be lower. Whereas in mutual fund, the cost of that funnel is less.